I don't support goonism. It is a bad culture ya chirasi siasa chito cha wachori wa 2027. I condemn it kabisa. Ni anduche serikali ningo itemere in one or the other ko goonism wega. But it is not a good way. It's just because there is lack of unemployment. Serikali yanataka kushirikiana because ndoroche initiatives chair kuna serikali. So other politicians bagotumia that chance ya ogutatwara chivesa kwa abasai ko bakende bachigosaria. But that's not a good move. I want to tell my fellow youths that toendo turikende tukore kingao yenda na kore gusigenda mugondo rema tarasi moyo gwefu mojo gende ko gusari bukutana segete ora ikororo kende gakobere getarikia alafu you come to blame yourself later. I think they should shun away from that, and it goes to moral support. You know, abayibori inkaga aliba karansia bana babo, you know, they tell them the way forward, and the baba encourage okore bintu birebia and they support them, because some of them they are doing that out of frustration, but because they like it.